politicians and presently by democratically elected people like Modi.
Exactly. And that's what makes today's trip so special. We get to explore how our country was shaped by these leaders and movements. I mean, can you imagine living in a time when kings like Shivaji and Akbar ruled the land? First, let us all join the courageous women of Chipko movement. Be prepared to be inspired by their determination.
Is about a remarkable movement. It all started in the 1970s when people realized the importance of protecting the forest from being cut down.
Few friends taking a stroll in nearby garden.
Dia, have you seen the state of our forests nowadays? They're being cut down at alarming rate.
I know it's heartbreaking, in spite of knowing that trees are our lifeblood. They give us oxygen, food and shelter and shade. They keep our air and water clean and provide homes for animals and birds. Without trees, our planet will be barren land. Without life, still we keep on cutting trees for our selfish needs.
Very true, Dia. What can we do to stop this? Dia, do you know about the Chipko movement?
Yeah, I have heard of it. It was the movement where people hugged trees to protect them, right?
We can do something like this to create awareness about trees.
But we don't know about Chipko movement.
Not to worry, my friends. Come, let us all watch the skit to get into the details of Chipko movement.
Villagers rushing to hug the trees.
चिपको रे चिपको रे चिपको रे चिपको चिपको रे चिपको रे चिपको रे चिपको चिपको रे चिपको रे चिपको रे चिपको चिपको रे चिपको रे चिपको रे चिपको
पेड़ कटा खच्च से मिट्टी से निकली हाय पेड़ कटा खच्च से मिट्टी से निकली हाय जागर बंदे नुपुर बंदे रहन कोई उपाय
के बीच में कुल्हाड़ा फिर गया फूल रोया और कली का रंग गिर गया मैं तो साला चुप खड़ा हूँ बाद में पछता
It's now or it's never.
हवा पे लेनी पड़ेगी थोड़ी सब्सिडी जंगलों की लाश पे है बिल्डिंग खड़ी हवा वहाँ पे लेनी पड़ेगी थोड़ी सब्सिडी। जंगलों की लाश पे है बिल्डिंग खड़ी, ऑक्सीजन का टैंक लेके क्या करेंगे भाई।
मैं जो चिपक जाऊं आज हर एक पेड़ से, बोलूं कि मैं कटूंगा फिर कटेंगे ये।
मैं जो चिपक जाऊं आज हर एक पेड़ से, बोलूं कि मैं कटूंगा फिर कटेंगे ये।
किसकी मजाल है जो काट जाए हाय, किसकी मजाल है जो काट जाए हाय।
Our families, don't cut them.
Move away from the trees. If you cut them, we and our children will suffer.
We cannot disobey the king. The king has ordered to cut down the trees. And why are you calling these trees as your family?
Many birds take shelter from these trees. Tree gives us fresh air. They give us food, shade, and children play under the trees.
Yes, Minister, these trees means everything to us.
Hey girl, move away from the tree. The king needs the woods of the tree.
If you want to cut these trees, then first you will have to cut me.
Listen to me. King will offer you whatever you wish and fulfill all your demands.
I am more interested in saving trees than your bride. Instead of cutting these trees, take my life. I am strongly stand on my words and will not allow you to cut the trees.
All the villagers hug the trees and refuse to let go of them. The woodcutter gets angry and offended and starts swinging his axe, killing many villagers. All the bloodshed is due to king's order. I will go to king and inform him about the situation. Villagers rush to the palace followed by ministers and woodcutter.
The woodcutter have cut all the trees and also killed the people who were protecting the trees. What? I order them to cut the trees? But Maharaja? Minister, you will be removed from this post and this woodcutter will face death sentence. If you are following my order so sincerely, then from now on, no one will dare to cut the trees in the village. Chipko movement is still relevant today, isn't it, dear?
But how can we do that? The challenges we face seem so big.
Every action, no matter how small, makes a difference. We start by raising awareness and taking steps to conserve our natural resources.
Yes, kids, when we stand together, we can protect our environment and create a better world for all. Let's continue to be stewards of earth just like the heroes of Chipko movement.
In the skit, we witness the power of the Chipko movement, a historic event. Through their courage and determination, they inspired others around the world to take action for our plant's future. The Chipko movement reminds us that each one of us can make a difference in preserving the environment for generations to come.
चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, एक पेड़ तुम लगाओ और एक हम, ये अभियान चलाएंगे घर घर जाके हम। मिल जाए हम साथ अगर, उज्जवल होगा अपना कल, उत्तम होगा सारा जहां, श्रेष्ठ बनेगा वतन। चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम, एक पेड़ तुम लगाओ और एक हम, चलो मिलके, चलो मिलके।
Thank you, friends. The Chipko movement is Thank you, friends. The Chipko movement is a shining example of how the smallest actions can make big difference.
Then we had Then we head to the Mughal Empire with the visionary Akbar. Get ready for a thrilling tale of tolerance and wisdom.
Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Good morning and welcome as we are about to embark on a journey back in time to the era of Akbar the Great. Prepare to be enchanted by tales and wisdom and wit as we bring to life the legendary emperor and his illustrious court.
Akbar's childhood, named Jalaluddin Akbar, was born in Umarkot. His father Humayun was always busy on battlefield. Jalaluddin spent most of his childhood with his uncle Kamran Mirza. Jalaluddin was very clever and disciplined child. At the young age of 10, he acquired skills horse riding, fencing, wrestling. After the death of his father, he took over throne at the age of 13. He ruled the empire from 1556 to 1605. Fatehpur Sikri was his capital. He gained the title Akbar the Great for his various accomplishments.
Young Akbar learning skills horse riding, fencing, wrestling with his uncle Kamran Mirza.
हुजूर, युद्ध के लिए संदेश आया है। इससे पहले वो हमें मारे, हम उन्हें खत्म कर देंगे। शेर की बादशाहत खौफ के बलबूते पे ही कायम होती है। युद्ध की तैयारी की जाए।
The second battle of Panipat was fought on 5th November 1556 between Akbar and Hemu. A dense forest outside Agra. Emperor Akbar seen wandering through the thick forest, looking lost.
Seems endless. Hey young man, can you tell me where does this road go to?
Your Majesty, the road does not go anywhere on its own. We must walk or ride upon it to reach our destination.
Very impressive plan, man. And who might you be?
I am Mahesh Das, Your Majesty, a humble scholar of this land.
Mahesh Das, you are an interesting personality. Take my ring as a gift. Do come to Agra and visit me at my court.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
The royal court of Emperor Akbar.
मुलाहिजा फरजंद हुमायूं आफताब मुगलिया शहंशाह हिंद बादशाह जलालुद्दीन मोहम्मद तशरीफ ला रहे हैं।
Mahesh Das, there are few offenders in seek of justice. Do proceed.
Yes, my lord.
A lady, Gayatri Devi, enters the court.
Your Majesty, I come seeking justice. My precious necklace has gone missing from my room.
This is indeed a serious matter. Mahesh Das, do investigate this.
Yes, Your Majesty, I shall leave no stone unturned.
Mahesh Das and Gayatri Devi head towards the room where it had gone missing in search of clues.
Ravi, I understand your wife necklace has gone missing. Do you have any information?
I don't know nothing about it, Mahesh Das. I was away on business when the theft took place.
And you, servant, were you present when the necklace was stolen?
No, sir. I was attending to my duties in the kitchen at that time.
Mahesh Das examines the room carefully. Suddenly, he noticed something near the window. Madam, there is this piece of fabric. Matches the material of your husband's clothing?
Yes, indeed, it is one of his robes.
Ravi, it seems the evidence points to you as the culprit. Your Majesty, we have recovered the truth behind the missing necklace, and the thief is Gayatri Devi's husband, Ravi.
What is this I'm hearing? How could you betray your own family?
Sorry, Your Majesty. I had a loan to repay, and with no other go, I had to steal the necklace.
Whatever may be the reason, you will be punished for the crime committed.
I am very much impressed by your wisdom and wit. From now onwards, you will be known as Birbal.
I am honored, my lord. I shall not disappoint.
I hope you will prove yourself worthy of the title bestowed upon you.
Your Majesty, I shall serve to the best of my abilities.
Another suspect enters the court for seeking justice.
Your Majesty,
Please save me from discrimination. I am facing discrimination in your kingdom.
What happened? What kind of discrimination you are facing?
Your Majesty, he is not paying the jizya tax which he has to pay for practicing his religion. What is it, Abul Fazl? Why discrimination is going on? My lord, in our kingdom, many people are facing discrimination on the basis of caste and religion. It is going on from long period. In my opinion, Your Majesty, we should stop such kind of discrimination as the king is considered the agent of God. He cannot discriminate people from different castes. Stop such kind of discrimination wherever it is going and free this man immediately.
Introduction of weights and measurements during his period.
Your Majesty, please do justice.
What went wrong with you?
This merchant cheated me. He gave me short piece of cloth. I asked him 5 hands of cloth. He only gave me 4 hands of cloth and charged me for 5.
Your Majesty, I did not cheat him. He asked me for 5 hands of cloth. This is 5 hands of cloth.
How could be that possible? Why is it so?
Your Majesty, can I interrupt? Weights and measures differ from person to person. It's a humble request to you that we introduce standard measuring units in our kingdom.
Good suggestion, Todarmal. It is my order that all merchants should follow a standard measuring units in our kingdom.
Azim Shah Shahenshah, Farman
Hello, my dear friends. Today we take you on a journey through history, a tale of transformation, a saga of redemption. Behold the story of Emperor Ashoka, the one mighty conqueror who found solace in the teaching of Buddhism. In the ancient land of India, there lived a warrior whose name struck fear into the hearts of many. Ashoka, the fierce and ruthless emperor, whose thirst for power knew no bounds. So now I welcome Samrat Ashoka.
प्रिय देवों का प्रिय देवा नाम प्रिय देवों सा प्रिय वो कहलाए शूरवीर बलवान दयामय प्रजापाल रक्षक करुणामय वो कहलाए है महान जन जन समदर्शी चक्रवर्ती राजा प्रियदर्शी वो कहलाए सम्राटों में विराट है उससे पूछो वो कहे अपनी मिट्टी का दास है आ गया सूरज बन के वो आया आ गया धर्मपुत्र बन के वो छाया प्रेम का सबके दिलों में ध्वज है फहराया अनोखा है अशोका है अशोका 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 अशोका है अशोका
But fate had other plans for this mighty ruler. It was the battlefield of Kalinga that Ashoka witnessed the true cost of his ambition. Ashoka inherited a vast empire, but he wanted to expand his empire further. Even after ruling as an emperor for 8 years, the Kalinga Janapada, which is the modern-day coastal Odisha, was still outside his control. Kalinga was important as its ruler controlled the land and sea routes to South India and Southeast Asia. Soon, Ashoka fought a bloody war to conquer Kalinga.
पे छिपेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा बात बात पर है खाद मौत की बिछी बिसात उठा तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मरेगा जाग भाग भाग बच सके तो बच ले आज आंधी है ये ज़लज़ला है पूरे जोर पर चला है किस्म दम है जो लड़ा है कौन रह सका खड़ा है सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित 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 सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित dream of night a dream of day a dream of watching you fade away नाच नाच सारी रात क्या पता मैं कल लूटा पीट पीट ढोल पीट हाथ पाँव मार ठेठ नाच नाच उंगलियों पे नाच नाच रात सारी मौत का हूँ मैं मदारी बाज डमरू सी कटारी डम 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 नाच मौत का रक्त चरित 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 डम 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 नाच मौत का
I have conquered the land of Kalinga. Ha ha ha. Soon I will be like Alexander the Great.
Emperor Ashoka, the warrior. Victory to King Ashoka. Great Ashoka the warrior, emperor. The day has been victorious. We have killed more than 100 to 1,000 Kalinga soldiers.
Oh, my brother, my husband. Where is my brother? I can't see him.
My son, oh my son, oh the kings of kings Ashoka. Are you happy? Are you pleased? You got what you want. The well to death, the fury, the bleeding victory.
This is no bravery. This is no courage.
This is no heroism. This is no
महाराजा की जय हो। विजय बिगुल बच चुका है महाराज, और ये रही कलिंगा के राजा की तलवार।
शाबाश! तब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा, अशोका तेरा नाम रहेगा। हम रहे ना रहे, तेरा नाम सदियों तक रहेगा। अशोका तेरा नाम रहेगा।
Victory over the innocent, victory over the helpless, victory over the attitude. Emperor Ashoka, you got what you want.
आज्ञा दो महाराज।
Ha ha ha! The kings of kings, what glory will that bring? What glory will that bring over the corpses of these dead soldiers?
नादान बुकत अपनी करनी, आप शीश पकड़ क्यों रोते? जंग तो आखिर जंग है, इधर है या फिर उधर है। मत मना जश्न दुश्मन की मौत पर, वो भी तो इंसान है, कर रहे उन मासूम रिश्तों पर, किसी की राखी और किसी के सिंदूर पर। देखकर हालत अपनी दुनिया की, अब परेशान है नीली छतरी वाला भी, नीली छतरी वाला भी।
Ashoka changed to Buddhism. Ashoka was filled with deep sorrow seeing the death of so many men because of his battle. He converted to Buddhism and went from man of war to man of peace. Ashoka addresses the audience emphasizing and unity in creating a better world.
The Sarnath lion, a Buddhist symbol that became India's national emblem, and the Ashoka Chakra are important because they occupies the place of pride on our national flag. The Ashoka Chakra, derived from the capital, is symbol of Ashoka's commitment to the principles of dharma or righteousness. The Ashoka Chakra's 24 spokes are often interpreted as representing the 24 hours of the day, symbolizing that the nation should be in motion and progress round the clock. The emblem is an adaptation of the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Lion standing back to back symbolizes power, courage, confidence, and pride. Thank you.
Hello, I am Avni. Hello Avni, how is the morning? Hello Pariniti, it's an outstanding morning out here. Absolutely. Look at the stage. Look at the audience. I feel extremely proud and happy. Do you know the performance of the morning is going to be a skit on one of the most iconic heroes of India. And do you know why we are in a Maharashtrian get-up? Yes, today's morning skit is going to be about Chhatrapati Shivaji. To learn a number of life lessons and values, a person can observe from Shivaji's life history. Well, who is Shivaji? Was he a born leader? How did the determination of a young boy who had nothing turn him into one of the most legendary personalities of India? From a zero, how did Shivaji conquer 370 forts? What was the role of Shivaji's mother Jijabai? How did Shivaji conquer such a big kingdom for himself and his people, defeating and dominating the mighty sultans? Why do we call him Chhatrapati Shivaji? Well, we shall find out answers to all these questions. So now, let the show begin.
Namaskar dear Cambridgians, I am Bharat Mata, Mother India. I have many tales about your long and proud history buried in me. Your history is permeated with legends and stories of their valor, courage and sacrifice. Today, I want to portray the story of one such hero, a vanquisher and a conqueror, our legend Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The
people of Maharashtra knew nothing but spreading love and joy everywhere they went until the evil eyes of the Mughals fell upon them. The birth of Shivaji.
Hey Bhavani Mata, thank you for blessing me with a boy. What shall we name him, Rani Sahiba? We shall name him after the goddess Shivai, Shivaji.
झुलवा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा झुलवा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा चंद्र जसा हा इंद्र शोभतो पुत्र जिजाऊचा चंद्र जसा हा इंद्र शोभतो पुत्र जिजाऊचा झुलवा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा झुलवा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा गाली तीट लावून बाळा काजळ घाला डोळा उंची अंगड घालून त्याच्या पायी घुंगर वाळा गाली तीट लावून बाळा काजळ घाला डोळा उंची अंगड घालून त्याच्या पायी घुंगर वाळा राजसरूपड डोई टोपड पाहून चुकतो चाळा लिंब लोण उतराग लवकर दुष्ट लागल बाळा राजसरूपड डोई टोपड पाहून चुकतो चाळा लिंब लोण उतराग लवकर दुष्ट लागल बाळा कौसल्येचा राम कसा हा लाल यशोदेचा झुलवा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा झुलवा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा जो जो रे बाळा जो जो रे जो जो रे बाळा जो जो रे जाग रे बाळा जाग रे ढोलन तारे घुमू द्यात रे धडू द्यात चौघडे शिवनेरीच्या सदरेवर भगवा झेंडा फडफडे गडागडाचे चिरे हलखले सह्याद्रीचे कडे काया तुझी आसाखी मावळे मर्द मराठे खडे आज उगवला सूर्य नभी नव्या नवलाईचा झुलवा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा झुलवा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा चंद्र जसा हा इंद्र शोभतो पुत्र जिजाऊचा चंद्र जसा हा इंद्र शोभतो पुत्र जिजाऊचा झुलवा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा झुलवा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा
Jijabai teaches the great epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata. As Shivaji grows up, it had a massive impact on Shivaji and influenced him tremendously.
One day, Lord Krishna told Arjuna he felt that in the cause of one's duty should be dear to a hero's heart. Mother, what is my duty? To fight for a foreign king by the side of my father, or to fight for my people against the king? Your duty lies in fighting for your people. Ramdas and Dadaji Kondadeva were the guardian tutors of Shivaji. Shivaji goes to Ramdas. Come Shivaji, I will teach you how to use weapons and how to fight against enemies.
Years passed over the course of time. Shivaji went on to become a strong-willed young man.
I heard that you're the best coach. I learnt little from my Guru Ramdas. Now I want to be a student and learn how to face the wars.
Yes, my boy, I will train you to become a great warrior and a great king. Once Shivaji was moving from one fort to another. He lost his way. He climbed the mountain and searched for a village. Then he saw a light of a lantern, and there was a small hut where an old lady lived. Come. Please have your seat. I think you're hungry. Wait, I will give you something to eat.
Ah, it's too hot.
You're also like your master Shivaji, always in hurry. That's the reason you spilled the rice on the floor and burnt your hand.
How could you say that? My master Shivaji is impatient?
Listen to me, son. Because of his hurriedness, Shivaji is acquiring big forts.
But what's wrong in that, grandmother?
Big forts may be impressive and provide strategic advantages, but they need a large number of armies to defend and maintain. By securing smaller forts, we not only expand our territory but create a network of strongholds which can help each other. They act as a stepping stones for our soldiers to move swiftly and efficiently, eventually aiding us in the conquest of larger forts.
Your insight is truly remarkable.
I am just an old woman who has seen its fair share of battles, my son, but if my word can be of help, then I am grateful. A few years later, the title nobility Chhatrapati was assumed by Shivaji on the request and exhortation of the people.
Chhatra, the Sanskrit word which means parcel or umbrella, and Pati translates to master. Shivaji was now called Chhatrapati Shivaji.
क्षत्रिय कुलावतंस सिंहासनाधीश्वर राजाधिराज श्रीमंत श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की
इंद्रजिली जंब पर वाघवसु अंब पर रावण स रंब पर रघुकुल राज है। पौन बारी बाह पर शंभुरती नाह पर जो सहस बाह पर राम गिजराज है।
हृदयात माऊली रेतीस सावली गडकोट रावणी शिवशंकर हा मुक्तीची मंत्रणा युक्तीची यंत्रणा कळदुष्ट दुर्जना प्रलयंकर हा
सृष्टांच रक्षितो शत्रूनी खंदतो भावंड भावना संस्थापितो ऐसा युगे युगे स्मरणीय सर्वदा माता पिता सखा शिवभूपतो
गावा दृढदंड पर चीता मृगझुंड पर भूषण वेतुंड पर जैसे मृगराज है।
तेजतम अंश पर कंडजनी कंस पर धूमलिच्छ वंश पर शेर शिवराज है।
जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी जय शिवाजी जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी जय शिवाजी
Tale of Shivaji's life ignites our spirit and awakens our pride in India's rich heritage. As we come to the end of this program and learn something valuable from this.
Yes, we saw how absolutely we saw Ashoka's compassion and movements, determination inspire us to be better individuals.
Not only leaders of past, but our present leaders have been shaped their journey. Their vision, leadership and dedication continues to a bright future.
Thank you for joining us on this journey.
Through leadership and inspiration, keep shining.